Hey guys, I'm Guys 13 and in today's video I'm going to be oh, my hair got tangled. I'm going to be trying on a wig for the very first time and I'm really excited because never in a million years did I think that I'd be the first person to install my own wig. So I've always wanted to get like a wig installation done because as you can see, this is my hair. My hair, like my natural hair, it's not really that cute. So I've always known deep down that I've always wanted to try on wigs. There is a company on Amazon. They sell the yurt 100% Remy human hair wig.
You basically just buy one wig, you care for your wig, has instructions on how to care for the wig, and you install it as many times as you please, and you don't have to pay no salonist, no stylist, no nothing. So you just pay for your wig and you install it as many times as you want.
So without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button great and hit that post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified each and every time I upload. So like a little text message saying ding 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 ding, Guys 13 just posted, and give this video a huge thumbs up for more hair related videos. Share this video with your friends and family so that way they stop spending that money at the hair salon and just install the wig themselves. And check the description box down below because I have a whole bunch of discount codes, a whole bunch of discount links. I have amazing links that are very useful for you, and I'm always writing updates down there. So let's get on with the video. First of all, let's look at this beautiful packaging. It's a nice matte black, and I love that it's not reflective because you know how like with the ring light, like a lot of packaging sometimes gets like really reflective, so this is like really perfect for when making content.
It says hair care instructions. Fill the sink or a large container with lukewarm water and mild shampoo. Switch the wig in shampoo water and gently wash. Rinse thoroughly and lightly squeeze hair in cold water, making sure not to rub hair. Pat dry with clean towel. Place the wig on a wig stand and let air dry. After the hair is completely dry, comb into desired style using a wide tooth comb or finger styling only. Do not brush, blow dry, or heat style while wet. Don't sleep in wet hair. It will mat and tingle up. Or note 100% human hair can be styled with a curling wand or flat iron. When not in use, apply a mannequin head or a wig stand to keep form and shape and decrease tingling and matte tingle. Before washing hair, brush out all tangles starting from the bottom and work up to the weft. For curly hair, do not brush. Finger comb to remove all tangles.
So since the hair is 100% brand new, and this is the first time that I'm using it, I'm not going to be doing the whole washing process. I don't know, do you have to do the whole washing process in the first application? I want to assume not, since like the hair is still like clean, hasn't been used, it hasn't been like put like any hairspray on it or anything. So let's, okay, so here is the hair. It says the same hair care instructions that it says in the baggie. I thought that, will this come with a wig cap? Because if this did not come with a wig cap, then I was not going to be prepared, and then I was just going to have to wing it and install it without a wig cap. But luckily they sent it with a wig cap. So it's called the Deluxe Wig Cap Superior Quality. Comes with 2 pieces, so you not only do you get 1 wig cap, you get 2 wig caps, which is really awesome because like what if like accidentally one tears or you just lose it or you just can't simply find it, or let's say you have one for your travel bag and then one for at-home usage. You have 2 in 1. So it says one size fits all, thin stocking fabric for wig wearers, polyester material. So as you know, this is my first time that I will be installing a wig on my hair. I know that wigs come with like lace that you have to like trim, and then you have to do like the baby hairs, and then with the baby hairs you have to do the edges. I do not know how to do that, and I didn't realize that until like literally like yesterday, or was it this morning, I'm not sure. And then I was like, yo, if I had gotten like a wig that didn't have bangs, then I would have looked really ratchet with like a really poorly cut lace line, and like I wouldn't know how to do the baby hairs. So I really suggest you guys, if it's your first time installing a wig, get a wig with bangs. We need to make our hair as flat as possible for the wig cap, so that way the wig looks super natural. It doesn't look like it's sitting on top of something. You want your wig to look like normal hair, right? What I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be doing 2 braids, and then you guys will see what I do afterwards. I'm gonna pin my braids flat on my cranium. But okay, so I'm gonna be doing 2 braids on my hair. So you're gonna do tight braids, but like I said, not super tight, because you're gonna be wearing a wig cap for the whole day. Save yourself some uncomfortable time today. Next, the other braid. Voila! So I forgot to mention, you're gonna be needing a lot of bobby pins. Okay, so since I have my little side bangs here, I'm just gonna pin them up, but I'm not gonna be over pinning them. Like I said, you're gonna be wearing this wig the whole day. Secure your hair to the point where it's secured, but don't over secure it, because if you over secure it while your hair is in the wig cap and with the wig, you're not gonna be able to easily scratch yourself. It's not gonna be feeling as comfortable. So don't put yourself in a position where you're gonna be uncomfortable all day. Here, so what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be pinning now my hair to make it flat against my head, like this, crisscross, so that way there's no bumpiness. Just like that. As you see, no bump forms. Look, I have a little like alfalfa hair. We have another alfalfa hair. I just used 5 bobby pins. Okay, so here we see a little bumpiness. So like here, yeah, we're gonna have to hide that. With 1 more pin, I think we got it. So now it's time to put on our wig cap. That way, people could see like our hair roots, like our natural baby hairs and all that, even though the bangs will be covering it. But I'd rather someone see like my messy baby hairs than to see a wig cap, so that way people think that this is my natural hair when it's really not. So I really like how it has these straps, so that way it stretches to your head size, so that way it's not like too tight or uncomfortable. It's like a one size fit all type of wig. Look how full it is, guys. Like, look right here. Like the root part is all hair. So you don't like see like the lace or anything.
Oh my goodness, guys.
I can't believe this is like, what? Guys, I'm like just in shock right now. Guys, I haven't had this short of hair since I was probably in middle school. Guys, the back looks so natural, honestly. Look at the back. Look how like the bulkiness isn't there. There's no bulkiness. You guys are just seeing my eyes. But look, there's no bulkiness. Look, this is what I was talking about, guys. You see like my little baby hair here? If the wig cap had fitted all the way up to here, then that would have looked noticeable, and that would have probably been like really embarrassing for like someone to be like, oh, I see her wig cap there. So I kind of prefer the wig cap not fitting all the way through and letting like my actual like baby hairs shine through. So that way the wig looks super natural, and like without even knowing that tip, I kind of just learned it right now by winging it. The installation of this wig is super easy. Like, you guys saw that I only did like 7 bobby pins. So yeah guys, I hope you liked today's video, and I really recommend you guys getting this wig. I really like the View Art wig, and I'm really happy that this is the first wig that I try on, and I'm so happy that you guys got to enjoy this moment with me. So yeah guys, I'll see you very soon if God permits. Bye. God bless you. Take care. Bye.